Alright, well today is fishing day and we are taking John DZamba and his family out today to do a little soft fishing. We're going to stay within the breakwater of Long Beach Harbor. So I got the fishing poles out. Hardly ever use these bad boys, but there they are. And we got some bait, and being it's Black Friday, we have some turkey. Now, I don't know if turkey makes good bait or not. I'm not a fisherman, but we're going to find out. Alright. Alright, the fishermen are aboard.
Hi-ho!
The DZamba clan.
Yo-ho. Yes, sir.
Mutiny is imminent, I'm sure of it. Well, we're going to go to White's Island and see if we can go fishing. There you go. Just hold it in place and just give it a good sawing. And there you go. Perfect. Little pieces. A little smaller. Yeah. Yeah, a little bit smaller. There we go. Perfect. Good job.
Suppose that's cannibalism?
What? Yeah. Hey Desi, how big was the fish that you caught?
It was like...
No, come on, yeah, with your hands. How big was it? All right. Steve's got one. Desi, grab it. Grab the whole body with both hands.
Okay.
Grab it hard. Grab it hard.
Buddy, it's okay.
No, it's disgusting. I don't like it.
Hold it, you're letting go.
Hold on to it so we can get the hook out.
I gotta pull the hook out, bro.
Okay.
Grab it higher.
There you go.
Ew.
You take it, throw it back. Jesse? Hold up, Pete. Another fine catch.
Take it. Toss it back.
There you go.
All right.
Good job.
Inside the gills.
Good job, bud.
That's gross.
There you go. Grab it, Desi. Come on, step
I wanna
up.
be on his hook. Look at that. Oh, it's right through the nose.
Oh. Hey,
Nasal.
it's third nostril. There you go.
Another fishy.
All
It
right.
looks like a teeny tiny tuna.
This one's tiny.
What are you backing away from?
Don't you make him jump overboard. Fish.
There you go. Fly.
Nothing's in there.
Alright. Yeah, you got a fish. Woo!
Yeah.
It's a turkey. Give me the turkey. I want the... Oh!
Uh-oh.
Left the
It's
skin.
good, that turkey.
That's a turkey?
It left the skin.
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't like the skin.
Oh, that was easy. Good job, Desi.
Good job, Des.
That looked like a pretty big one, too, wasn't it? There we go. Steve's winning the fishing competition here. Come on.
I don't like it.
It's a fiber.
Really gross.
Oh, ho.
Wiggle his little way out.
Sorry, I missed that.
Okay, you must want to be in here, huh?
There you go. Fly.
Hey, where should you be looking?
Oh, sorry. So we had a pretty good day fishing, as you can tell by the video. Our captain on the return trip is Desi DZamba, and we're almost home. So if you like this video, please give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe.